Hi everybody, welcome to another video on Flux Studio. As you can see, I've changed the application name to CBM Flux Studio in order to avoid confusion with an existing software already called Flux Studio, as pointed out by Bacchus. Today, very briefly, we will have a look at a couple of things that I introduced in this version. First one being scrolling. So the vertical scrolling for this part of the tool was not available, and I've implemented it in a different way than what I initially thought I would, but now it's there, and you can go around and do your thing. The other thing is about the circular plot, and now you can resize the main window to whatever you like. You can maximize it and so on and so forth. The drawing will resize accordingly. The aspect ratio will always be 1:1 for this white portion where the disk is, and we also have presets now. So let's try to have a look at a disk that is 4 times as big than the current one. And bear in mind that when scrolling it gets quite glitchy while I'm recording, but in reality it's not glitchy at all when I'm scrolling and not recording. So yeah, you can see a good deal of trailing sequences here and repeating patterns and so on and so forth. I think this zoom level is already quite good. Other ones will add detail because more and more data will be plotted as it can be resolved. Can push it up to 5,000 pixels radius, but it's pretty much still too small for full detail. Yeah, you can't really resolve individual bits. I think you need to push it to 10,000, and on my machine, when I get about to about 8,000 pixels radius, I can't allocate the memory anymore for that. So yeah, but I would reckon 10,000 is probably the place where you can resolve individual flux inversions. Let's also have a look at the data report for this version. Now I think this is the non-patched version, and yeah, as you can see, there is text inside custom Vorpal blocks starting on track 1. There's quite some actually, so yeah, you can tell that the decoder is doing a fine job with this one. Other than the decoder, which I want to perfect before publishing, I think I might actually publish Flux Studio as it is sometime next year. Well, it's the 31st today, so in a few days, hopefully before Monday, and then from there I'm not quite sure. I've got a few things lining up, a few things to do, so we'll see how that goes. Obviously there won't be any documentation for this version. I think we need to get to 1.0 before any sort of documentation other than the changelog is included. So if you're interested in helping with documenting things, get in touch. Otherwise, I wish you all a happy new year, and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.